This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Translate app and confirming your device is updated. This avoids missing features. Once inside, tap the language list or the gear shape settings button to view installed languages. You want to be in the app's language management view so you can add options directly. Make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active because some downloads happen online. If you prefer offline use, note which languages support offline packs before proceeding. Now you tap Add Language or the plus icon and scroll or search for the language you need. You'll see options to select it and either enable it live or download an offline pack. Choose Download if you plan to translate without internet. Once selected, the phone fetches the language. This may take seconds to minutes. Make sure you have enough storage. If a download fails, retry on a stable connection and close background apps to free bandwidth. To finish, test the new language by translating a simple sentence. This verifies both recognition and voice output. If translations fail, remove and re-download the language pack because corrupted downloads are common. Once done, reboot the Translate app and if necessary, restart the iPhone to refresh system services. If problems persist, check storage and network settings, then update iOS. These steps resolve most issues and ensure the Translate app performs reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.